All right, how about 3 minutes with the fearless veteran, the Nitro Shark, Mr. Ricky House. How you doing, Ricky?
Doing great.
Ricky, a couple quick fire questions for you. How old are you?
I am 59.
How many years you been racing?
Oh God, all my life. I've been racing field bikes since 2006.
And what is it about this crazy sport that keeps you going in the dangerous world of Nitro Harleys?
I guess it's the need of speed, I guess. I just like, I guess I like to scare myself.
There you go. There you go. Greatest racing memory that you have?
Greatest memory? Oh, I guess I won, actually probably when I won the 4 wide last year. I mean, I won a lot of races, but that one there was one of the biggest.
Tell me a little bit about your bike for people that may not understand just how sophisticated these things are. We start up here with some pretty serious electronics.
Yeah, I mean, of course, you got your dash so that, you can read your RPMs. I can control my temperature before I, on the starting line and all that. Pump pressure and all that. And then you got your timers, computer and all that, and your high idle. There's a lot of things that's going on there. So.
How about this big beefy motor? How many cubic inches?
This one here is an 197 cubic inch.
Wow. How much horsepower are we putting out?
A little over 1,000 horsepower.
What's the maintenance like?
Well, what we do is, like, after every round, of course, change the oil and all that, put a new clutch in it. But after every race, now I'll pull the complete top end off of it, check wrist pins, hone it, lap the valve, regular service on it. And then every 20 runs, change the rods. Every 60 runs, I change the main bearings in it. So.
Wow. Now I don't know if people at home realize how many hours of labor that is.
Yeah, it's a lot of work, but if you're going to make it last and not, you just can't run it until it breaks. Things will happen, but you got to keep it maintenance like anything else, and keep doing that, keep new parts on it. It'll pay off.
If you can, how would you describe what it's like to ride one of these beasts?
I mean, it's like getting on a bull that drank Red Bull, I guess. It's pretty wild, like yesterday, anything can happen. In Q4, I guess when I rolled in, turned the beam on, the arm and everything, I must have rolled on in and turned my light on, and I wasn't prepared, and Jay left on me. I know it's a qualifying run, but I just stabbed the throttle, and I really wasn't prepared, and I let the bike kind of get away from me. Went down there, I couldn't bring it back and clip the block down there, so kind of embarrassing.
Hey, it happens to the best of them. What's the most expensive part you can break on any given run?
Expensive part? Oh, it'd probably be the crankshaft.
And that's thousands, right?
Oh, the crankshaft, they're $6,000 now.
Good Lord, $6,000 for the crankshaft here in Ricky House's machine. Now, if you're going to field a successful program, you need a great sponsor. And as you can tell here, the Nitro Shark has Magic Dry. Magic Dry came on with you this year. Tell me a little bit about them.
Yeah, Magic Dry is the oil assortment. They're actually in the same place where the Cat Spot was at, Midwest Organics, and we're trying to push that product for Tommy Thompson, build that product up also. And if you got everybody makes messes, so and it could be a big time deal in the industrial business too. Big trucks, oil spills and all that kind of stuff.
Excellent. Final question, you're always in the championship mix, you're always a contender. What's your goal for the 2019 season?
I ain't getting any younger, man. I want to win a championship. I've been there, number 2 year before last, number 4 this year. I want to win a championship. I want to do it for Tommy. I want to do it, work for myself. So that's my goal.
Good luck to you. Anything you'd like to add?
I want to thank Tommy. I want to thank Trash, all my sponsors, Black Ladder, DJs, Uncle Hal, Rugger, Javelina, Harley Davidson, and OTR. If it wasn't for them people, I wouldn't be able to race at this level.
That's awesome. I also see you're on the CycleDrag.com decal. So big thanks.
Yep.
You're the man for doing that.
Thanks a lot.
Thanks so much, man. We wish you the best of luck this season.
All right, thank you.